How to unblock your WeChat account? Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open WeChat app on your phone. As you do that, you will enter to this screen. Go ahead and tap on Login. Now, you want to tap on More option that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on Help Center. As you do that, a browser will open where you want to tap on the search bar on the top and then search for blocked account. Now you want to go through it and tap on tab here that is underlined, and then you want to put the platform that is iOS, reason, then select the category and then select other categories. After that, in the bottom in description you need to type what has happened to your account or what is that you need help for. After you've written everything, you want to scroll down and then you need to tap on WeChat account. You need to type your WeChat account here, and after that you need to put your email address there, and then you need to select prefer being contacted by to so that you will easily recover your account. After that you need to scroll down and then tap on submit. That is how you can unblock your WeChat account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching to the very end.